Hey guys, so this is my first time making cauliflower crusted pizza. I got this recipe off of YouTube on the Chef Buck channel. So yeah, here we go. First thing you're gonna need is 2 cups of grated cauliflower. Alright, next we're gonna put the grated cauliflower into a skillet and you're gonna warm that up until the majority of the moisture is out of the cauliflower. Next, we're going to take a block of Parmesan cheese and you're going to grate up about 1 cup of this. Okay, and now we're going to add 1 egg, the Parmesan, and the cauliflower together in a mixing bowl. That those are done being mixed together, you're going to pour it out into a parchment paper and shape it into your desired crust shape. Alright, there we go. Now it's time to place it in the oven. Okay, so it's looking good. So we're gonna add our toppings. First thing I'm gonna add is some marinara sauce. I got this one from Publix. You can definitely make your own, but I didn't have time for that. So, and then I'm also going to add some garlic, because you can never go wrong with a little bit of garlic. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of greens. So I have some spinach and arugula. This really did help to pizzazz the pizza. And now I'm adding some mozzarella cheese, as if there's not enough cheese already, but that is okay. And then last but not least is some gluten-free pepperoni. Alright guys, so here it is, the finished product. My first cauliflower pizza. I'm kind of in a time crunch, so I'm just going to do like a mini mukbang because we have a game to go to really quick. So, alright. Let's see. Britt? Come try your piece, girl. Alright, so like he said in the video, one is hot. Oh my gosh. It's very flimsy. Smells really good. Here, you can take or you can take a whole thing. Here, take it. No, fool, take that. Dang.
You editing that out? How you be talking to me?
Dang. Try to take the plate.
I thought I was gonna comment like,
Here we go. It's hot. It's good. I mean, I don't really know what to say what the crust tastes like, but it's not nasty. Tastes like a pizza. What you think? Yeah. Not bad. Want another pizza? Oh, pop it down.
can I eat it from the side profile.
You can turn the camera if you want.
Well, I'm gonna go.
Pepperoni's good. So I put, you saw the toppings that I put on there, but it's really good. The seasoning is very good. Not seasoning, but this, like, yeah, the seasons, I guess. I put a little bit of garlic on there, too. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yay! Much. It's healthier. I mean, you know, less carbs because, of course, the crust is made out of cauliflower. I have gluten-free pepperoni on there, some spinach and arugula, and some mozzarella. Of course, I do want to eat less dairy, but this is still more of a healthy alternative to regular pizza, and it's not as bad as I thought. Oh, God. Uh-oh. 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 Oops. Shout out to my girl, Karen. Hi, Karen. She's wanted me. I was like, do you have any ideas that you want me to do for, like, videos? She's like, oh, do a mukbang. A cook with me mukbang. So I'm like, bet. I got you, girl. So there we go. It's good, Karen. It's good. Not as bad as I thought. I was like, this is about to be nasty, but it's good. Pepperoni is bomb. Hot. I don't know what it would taste like if I didn't use cheese, though. Real talk. If you guys know, like, any good recipes for dairy-free cauliflower pizza, let me know. Maybe I'll try that next. If you have any other ideas for me to make something, let me know. Oh. I forgot how to get this camera right for the next one. Oh. Definitely been looking in the wrong place. Okay, baby. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Alright, guys, I'm going to finish this really quick. I'm headed to this basketball game that we're going to. I hope you enjoyed this little cook with me mukbang. It was fun. Bomb. I'm going to be making this. Like, this honestly might be like a cheat meal for me every once in a while. Yeah, we'll think about that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a great day. Have a great week. Have a great weekend. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.